It's that feeling that makes you want.
Got into an accident in Montenegro or just want to know what to do in case of an accident? We, a car rental company that has been in the market for over 14 years, know everything about accidents. We will explain the correct procedure for filling out the European accident statement and what to do if no one admits fault. First, make sure to get out of the car and check if there are any injured. If you find any injured, be sure to call an ambulance, then follow a simple procedure. 1. Turn on the emergency lights. 2. Set up the triangle. 3. Take a photo or video of the accident scene, including the car number, damage, and car position on the road. 4. Under no circumstances move the car until the police arrive or the European accident statement is signed. Option 1. Fill out the European accident statement. If you rented a car from us, all the necessary documents are in the glove compartment, in a folder. What documents do you need to fill out the European accident statement? The vehicle registration certificate, the green card if you are abroad. If the accident happened in Montenegro, then the national insurance, then the European accident statement itself. We will now show you how to properly fill out a European accident report. Under item 1, you have the date of the accident. Next to it, you will find the time of the accident. Under item 2, you indicate the country and next to it the city. Under item 3, you indicate if there are any injured parties. Under item 4, you indicate if there is any material damage to another vehicle besides A and B. And nearby, is there perhaps any material damage to things other than the vehicles? Under item 5, you list all witnesses, their names, addresses, and phone numbers, which is optional. Under item 6, there are already currently existing two sections, Vehicle A and Vehicle B. Do not make a mistake here, because if you are renting a car, you should not enter your last name and first name as indicated, but rather the name of the company and its address. In our case, it's Sitngo, and the address is Tivat. It's not necessary to indicate the phone number and country here. Under item 7, you will see the vehicle, and if there is a trailer, the trailer is also indicated. In our case, there is none of that, so here you indicate everything that is written in the vehicle's registration certificate. That is Toyota Auris 1.6 and the registration numbers. Also indicate the country where the vehicle is registered right here. In our case, it is Montenegro. Under item 8, you specify the insurance. If you are within the country, you indicate the national insurance. Here is your policy number. Here is the name of the insurance company. In this section, first, you indicate the name of the insurance company. Second, the insurance policy number. And third, the number of the green card, which is also included in the package. Here is its number. The remaining fields are not mandatory to fill out. Under item 9, you should already indicate your first and last name as it appears on your driver's license. First comes the last name, then the first name, date of birth, address, country, phone or email, or contact information. Next is the driver's license number, the category of the driver's license, and the expiration date. Under item 10, you indicate the locations of the vehicle damage. Under item 11, you describe the vehicle damage in text. Under item 12, you need to choose the option that describes how the accident occurred. Under item 13, you will find a field where you need to depict the position of the vehicle on the road at the time of the accident. In point 14, the party at fault must definitely admit their guilt, and this must be written in Montenegrin. We accept responsibility for the damage caused.
Priznajem odgovornost za nastalu štetu.
And in point 15, the signatures of both parties. And remember, do not move the vehicles from the scene of the accident until the European accident report is signed. After completing the European accident statement, be sure to take photos of the vehicle registration certificate, driver's license, and the insurance of the person at fault in the road traffic accident. With this set of documents, you can go to the insurance company. And for our clients, it is enough to simply give us this set of documents, and we will handle everything ourselves. The second option is to call the police. Remember that in Montenegro it costs 100 euros and is paid by the person who called. The police will create an incident report, which can be picked up in 7 10 days. To do this, you need to go to the station in the city where the incident occurred with the receipt for the call payment. After that, you can contact the insurance company. And don't forget to attach the receipt for the police call payment. It is reimbursable. But for our clients, we handle all of this ourselves. Now let's discuss when it is appropriate to go to court. Going to court is a last resort when all other methods have been exhausted and the damage is very significant. There are cases when the court recognizes mutual fault and each person repairs their own car. Keep in mind that going to court is very costly in terms of both time and money. We do not recommend going to court if the damages are minor.
In any case, stay calm and follow the plan, and everything will be fine.